Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The last few weeks I've been a little bit under the weather, I had a bit of a cold, but I had a few parcels sitting here. Thought I'd just do a bit of a quicker unboxing video. So the first one I got here, I believe, is an accessory for the KZ earbuds. This is actually a new Bluetooth adapter for the KZ earbuds. Got the current one here that I use. This is the Bluetooth adapter for the KZ earbuds. It just sits behind your neck, over your ears, and attaches to the different KZs. It works reasonably well. I do have a review of this product. This one actually does have a lot of excess cable, so I bought a little clip just to help with that, but when it's sitting behind your neck, it does have a lot going on. But I actually saw this one online. It works a little bit differently, so I thought I'd check it out and see how it works. So nice clean packaging. The brand is actually Trn. Again, really nice, clean design. Packaging seems good. Has a pretty strange cable, how it loops like that. But the quality seems really nice. The ear hooks seem really good. Compared to the other brand, this is the new one. Ear hooks seem really nice. However, they're just an elastic style ear hook, whereas the old one, you can control where it goes and it stays around your ear. So it'll be interesting to see how well this one stays on your ear. But the difference with this one is it actually sits on your shoulders or around your neck. It actually has a fair bit of pressure onto your neck, so it should be good for exercise or gym. And then we have right and left over the ears. It does seem to fit pretty comfortably, so we'll hook up some KZs and see how it works. It does come with a charging port, so I don't know if I have to charge these up or if they do come with some battery left in them, and then most of the KZs. However, it might not fit the ZS3s, because the ZS3s actually have a straight fit into the earbud. Okay, so we'll fit the ZS3s. So that means it should fit most KZs. So they do stay on pretty well. We've actually got 3 buttons here, volume control and on off, so the pairing. So that was really easy. They seem to sound good, actually sound really loud. The fit's really nice, don't seem to be going anywhere. I'd actually like to see how they are while running or in the gym. So if you are interested to see a little bit more about this cable, comment down below. I might make a separate video because the quality of this seems really nice. It seems really well built, seems strong, really seems like a nice product. So if you are interested, remember, comment down below. I will also check these for battery life. I'll charge them up fully and I'll play them at full volume and see how long they last. And I'll make sure I do put that up in the video. Alright, so this is the second parcel I had sitting here. This actually got sent to me. I did a video not long ago with the Azexi earbuds. They're true wireless earbuds. They seem like a good quality product, but when I was using them, had a lot of dropouts, had a lot of issues. I didn't recommend them, but I have had people comment on that video saying that theirs worked fine, so maybe I just had a bad set. But actually one of the suppliers contacted me and they've sent me a different model of the Azexis. So the previous ones were the AirX60s. These are actually the AirX66, so a newer model, similar packaging to the AirX60. So automatic pairing, voice prompt, fast charging, 3 hours battery life. I will check this and I'll put it up in the video. 3 times charging from its case. Actually advertises CVC smart noise cancelling and an IPX4. Packaging actually seems pretty nice with these. So this one actually has a little clip so you can hook it to a bag or your pants depending if you're going to school, commuting to work. Seems really handy. Alright, so you actually get a charging cable, pretty decent sized charging cable. So you will get 2 extra size ear tips. They also have some different size wing tips, so this should help adjust them to the size of your ear. At first it seems like there's no way of opening them, but it looks like there's a button at the top here. So it just clicks. Try to pair them up to my phone. They feel really light, similar to the AirX60s. They've got some voice prompts, power on. So they're both connected. They've confirmed left channel, right channel, and they've come up on my phone, Air66. Seems to have connected really easy, so let's see how they sound. So the connection seems really good. If you do cover your ears, you may get a few little dropouts. That's pretty normal with true wireless earbuds. Wing tips are also really easy to swap, and also try the bigger ear tips. All these cheaper earbuds always rely on a good seal, especially for bass, and to get a really nice sound you want to make sure that seal is really good. I'm not sure about the ear tips that come with these. I think a lot of the sound is down to the ear tips with the cheaper earbuds. They're just not great quality. They don't seem to seal your ear as well. So I've actually just got another set here. These are just a GearBest cheap ear tips as well, but they're a better quality silicone and foam tips. I've actually got some other foam tips from AliExpress as well. Just going to test them out with these and see what I think. So I tested a couple of different ear tips out. The silicone were the best. They are a small connection or tip to the earbuds, so the foam tips kept falling off or coming out of my ear, and they were a little bit too big. With the better silicone ear tips, you actually get a lot more bass, vocals sound better, and actually sound quite decent. It's just that they do stick out further with the different ear tips on them. I'm not sure if they'll charge either. If you do change the ear tips, you might have issues. That's not going to close and it's not going to charge. So it is a little bit of a tricky one. So I've been testing these out a few times now. They actually do sound fairly good. They actually have really nice highs, have a fair bit of bass. They are really loud, which is good. Like I said, if you can find a better set of earbuds that will work and fit with these, they will sound even better. The ones that I tried brought out the bass even more, made them sound really nice to listen to, but like I said, they won't fit in the case. So I was actually just comparing them to some of the other true wireless in the similar range, under $50. Comparing the Air60 to the HTK18 TWS, which is another true wireless earbud of a similar price. The Air66 have a lot more bass, a lot louder, and sound a lot better. So if you were looking at the TWS, I would recommend the Air66 over them. By comparing them against the MOXPAD M6s, the M6s have heaps more bass, way clearer. They're both under $50. You can charge your phone with this, it has a bigger battery. But these Azexis are a little bit cheaper. You can clip it to your bag. So I'd say these are definitely better than the Air60s, the previous generation. They're better than the TWS. I'd say they are a pretty good earbud for the price. If you did want a more in-depth review, got any questions on these, you want me to do a more in-depth comparison with other earbuds, comment down below, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome. Hey.
Where's my scissors?